Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you crochet capsules designs. Crochet poncho are amazing videos are uploaded for you. You look so beautiful design. So dear lovely friends, hope your well will be fine and will be great. May Allah keep you happy. Keep laughing and keep smiling in the same way. Amen. So my dear lovely friends, this video is totally happy with us, and today I am sharing a trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, also stylish, most foreign and demanding articles and beautiful crochet poncho design. So dear lovely friends, I must suggest you gorgeous video. You will find 20 ideas of videos, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My dear lovely friends, after thinking the press the, you will get the notification of my videos and you will never miss any videos in any collection of my channel. So dear lovely friends, I will try my best to show my ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my video from my channel. You look so beautiful design. So dear lovely friends, you get ideas and take care of myself. See you soon. So friends, we will be right back. Bye bye. And you look so beautiful design and different crochet cap poncho designs, different gorgeous ideas and different gorgeous videos. If you like our videos, do not forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.